Okay, we're on problem number 7. It says this exercise is about the rectangle shown at the beginning of the next column. So let's take a look up there and we see a rectangle with the sides B and H. And we're told to write a formula for its area, A, in terms of B and H. So why don't we just go ahead and I'm not going to use my wonderful box tool. I'm just going to draw a nice crooked rectangle here. Okay, it's not perfect, but you get the idea. And let's see, we have B on this side, and we have H, and we have B. And the reason I'm doing that is that we don't always have to have our illustrations perfectly drawn, okay? When you're drawing graphs, it needs to be as perfect as possible, particularly if you're relying on that graph to give you an exact point. But, we're just drawing up here and we can just envision that curvy line at the top of just simply being a straight line. And we understand that what we're trying to do here is get a formula. It says here, write a formula for its area A in terms of B and H. So what would the area be? Well, the area would be B times H, right? Now we're going to solve this formula for B. Well, to solve it for B, we're going to put BH on the right side times, on the left side rather, and move A to the right side. So this is simply swapping the two. We're going to divide, and we're doing for B first, and we're going to divide by H on each side, and B is going to be equal to A divided by H. Okay? And we're also told to solve the formula for H. So what would we do? Well, we have again BH is equal to A, and we're going to divide each side by B, and that'll give us H is equal to A over B. So really we have three formulas here. We have A is equal to BH, which is the area formula. We know that. That's the length times the width. And then we are just solving it for a different variable. We're going to try to solve it for B. If we knew what A and H were, we would know what B is. And in this case, we have H is equal to A over B. If we knew what A and B were, then we could certainly solve it for H, and we can find what H is. Okay?